Hi, Doug with Remax Executive Realty in Westboro with Rich, again, A1 Foundation. And the question I have now is that I'm listing a house and the basement's finished. The seller is suspecting that there's a leak. So how do we know where that leak would be?
Well, that question comes up all the time. First thing you want to do is take a walk outside on a poured concrete foundation and look at the concrete that's above grade. It could be 6 inches, it could be a foot, and look and see if you have a crack. If there's a crack and it's on that wall that has the crack on the inside, more than likely, 98% of the time, it goes through. If you want to if you want to double check it, you put a garden hose on the ground and let it run from 15 to 45 minutes, and you'll see that water coming. Then we have to open up the wall and fix it. If you do not see a crack, it could be a couple of other things. It could be where the cement floor meets the wall, or those little dimples in the wall, they're called tie rods. They're little metal rods that's used during the construction phase, and then they snap them. They're called snap ties because they hold the wood where they pour the concrete down. And then what happens is those rust and they get smaller. You're supposed to cover them up. But if it's coming in one area, you put a garden hose outside in that area, maybe near the bulkhead or near a window. Those would be the most obvious ones. You run water, and the water will, say it comes in through the tie rod, the water will go down. It doesn't squirt out onto the sheetrock. It goes down and it'll come out underneath your finished wall.
I see.
And then we can fix it.
Okay, sounds great.